Hello. You are watching Ramith English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 9. Write 25 sentences using different modals. Examples. I can play the guitar. You should drink more water. She might visit us tomorrow. We must follow the rules. Could you pass me the salt? Answer. Here are 25 sentences using different modal verbs. I can solve this math problem easily. You should eat more vegetables for good health. He might join the meeting later. We must wear seatbelts while driving. Could you help me with my homework? She will call you in the evening. They may go to the park after school. You must not skip your classes. I shall complete my project by tomorrow. Would you like some coffee? You ought to respect your elders. He can swim very well. I might travel to Spain next summer. You must finish your homework before playing. Could I borrow your pen, please? She will be here at 5 o'clock. You should apologize for your mistake. May I sit here? He must be very tired after the long journey. Shall we go for a walk? I would love to visit Paris some. She can't speak French fluently. You might need an umbrella today. He should take a break from work. We must protect the environment. These sentences cover ability, possibility, necessity, permission, suggestions, and requests using a variety of modal verbs. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Ramith English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.